Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gen Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Turandar 2, Advanced Booking Ranveer Singh Jigarnan sales 6.70 lakh tickets in national chains for day 1, including previews. Ranveer Singh and Aditya Dor's Durandar 2. The revenge is all set for an opening of rupees 100 crore plus including paid previews written by Mohit Dixit, journalist published on 17 March 2026. Ranveer Singh's much-awaited movie Dhurandhar 2, directed by Aditya Dor, is witnessing a banger pre-sales at the box office as of 10 p.m. 17 March. The spy action drama sold around a massive 6.70 lakh tickets in the top two national chains, PV Renox and Cinepolis for the opening day, including paid previews of this around 3.70 lakh tickets were sold for the premiere day alone, while 3 lakh admissions were recorded for the opening day. The movie is seeing a massive boost in its sales as it approaches its release date with around 17 hours still to go for the paid previews. Dhurandhar 2 The Revenge is heading towards the 4 lakh mark for its preview sales. The opening day bookings are also expected to close somewhere between 4 lakh and 5 lakh tickets in the national chains. If there were no previously, Ranveer Singh's career would have stormed past the 5 lakh mark much earlier and would have challenged even Avengers Endgame's historic sales for the opening day. Based on the current trends, Dhurandhar 2 will stand at the third spot among the biggest pre-sales in national chains in Hindi, following Avengers Endgame and Pathan. The previews seem like they can clear rupees 35 crore net, and then the opening day looks to be north of rupees 60 crore net. If it were a direct opening day without previews, the film would have certainly set the new opening day record of possibly over rupees 90 crore. That said, the industry reporting is likely to club preview collections with Thursday opening day figures, even though the conventional approach has been to keep them separately forecast for Dhurandhar 2's opening day, including paid previews, is rupees 97 to 115 crore net with a pinpoint of rupees 105 crore net. Stay tuned to Pankvilla for more updates. Disclaimer: the box office figures are compiled from various sources and our research. The figures can be approximate and Bankvilla does not make any claims about the authenticity of the data. However, they are adequately indicative of the box office performance of the films in question. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.